So when you get into fifth grade, you're going to have to do more and more problems that are more complicated. So being able to do a 3-digit problem times a 3-digit problem is something you'll be able to do. So let's work through this problem here together. So let's say we have 3 times 6. So we're going to go ahead and multiply each number at the bottom, each place, the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place by the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place up top. So we're going to start at the right and the bottom here. So we're going to do 3 times 6, which is 18. We're going to carry our 1. And then 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 1 is 28. So we put our 8 right here and we carry our 2. And then 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 2 is going to be 26. So that's the first row. We got that done. Now as we move over to the 4 to the tens columns here, we have to put a placeholder right here. And when we put this placeholder, now we're going to multiply this tens places forward by each number on top. So let's go ahead and do it. So we go ahead. 4 times 6 is 24. We put our 4 there and carry our 2. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 2 is 38. So we'll put our 8 right here, line everything up, and put our 3. And then 4 times 8 is 32, plus 3 is 35. So we're going to put our 35 right here. So now we got our numbers lined up. Now we have to do this last row right here, this 2 times each number. This is the hundreds place. We have to multiply it by each number on top. So because we're going over here, we have our 1 decimal place, 1 placeholder, and then we have to have a second placeholder once we start in this third one. And now we go ahead and multiply as usual. So 2 times 6 is 12. Put our 2 right here and carry our 1. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Put our 9 right here and carry our 1. And 2 times 8 is 16, and that's going to be equal to 17, when we add 1. So now all we do is we have all these things lined up. We have to go ahead and add this up. We're going to add this up together. So how do we add this up? We use this in very straightforward ways to add this up. And as we add this up, we're going to get 8. And 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry a 1. That's 7 plus 8 is 15. Plus another 2 is 17. Carry our 1. This is going to be 7 and 8. That's going to be 17, carry our 1. That's going to be 11, carry our 1, and that's going to be 2. So the answer is going to be 200,728. That's the answer to this problem. So when you get 896 times 243, the answer is 217,728.